Hey guys, Capper here, welcome back. And this is the final episode of completing the 5-acre project property. The last video series in this one was finishing the logging road and also doing some tilt bucket time lapse, but this was the lower campsite that I had to build up like 2 to 3 feet, and I had to let it sit for several weeks to dry out. So it dried out just barely enough for me to get compaction. That's the mission for today. I'm going to get compaction. It's a smidge wet, but as you'll see, we're going to get good compaction and do this final grading, and then they should either already have stone on it or be getting it soon, so stay tuned for that update. But this is all new footage. You haven't seen this particular short video footage. It's from the boom cam. Hope you enjoy some fresh air. Thanks a lot. Alright, here's the after look. Last time I really didn't show it, I don't think, too well. So that water cut right now runs right through this spot. And we're gonna make a pad that way. So this is right where that big hole was, and I was able to clean all this up with the Mongo tilt bucket, and it looks like now it's all running off. So there's not standing water here. All this dirt needs to come this way and build a pad where they can back in all the way down the road. I mean, I wish I can get in there more, but it's still too wet. It's just too wet. I did get some compaction, but after about the second or third run, we started squishing. So I did accomplish some compaction. The grade is as good as I could get being this wet, because otherwise I just keep putting tracks in. We say, Curtis?
Gotcha. What am I getting you into again?
Well, exactly. Huh? What are you getting me into today?
I always got something for you, don't I?
This will be another interesting one, I'm sure.
Exactly. Just wait.
It has dried out. My first couple runs I stayed right on top. So it is drying, but it's not ready yet for a dump truck of gravel. It's getting there though. It'll work. If they're patient, let this dry out, put gravel on it, it'll be good to go.